Hello guys, welcome back. Now that we've talked to you guys a little bit about our basic HTML document structure, we want to teach you what the tags that you wrote in that document really are. So first off, the tags provide the content and attributes to a web page. The tags are interpreted by the web browser so the web page renders properly. And basically HTML documents are a collection of markup tags. Now there are two types of tags, and the first type of tag is a container tag, and those come in pairs with a starting and ending tag. We're going to open up our website right here so we can see what we're talking about. So an example of a container tag is the body tag, because it opens here and it closes here. And there's a very subtle difference between the two, and that subtle difference is the forward slash. So our opening tag is just merely the element, and I'll explain to you what that is in a second. Just the element, and then our closing tag contains a forward slash and the element, so we know when to stop. Now there's a second type of tag, and that second type of tag is called an empty tag. And the reason it's called an empty tag is because it does not come in pairs, it's singular, so there can't be anything contained inside it. Like this would be a container tag, and there can be something inside it or in between the two starting and ending tags, but since the empty tag has nothing in it, then it's called an empty tag. So the length tag right here is a great example of an empty tag, because there's not a closing tag, it's just the starting and closing in the same place. And the difference between a container tag and an empty tag is that the empty tag has the forward slash on the back. So it reads all this information and then it closes. And that's a really big difference between the two. Now, what constitutes of a tag? You know, what is a tag? What makes a tag? What are the parts of the tag? Now, the first part of the tag is an element, and that's basically the name. So the name of this tag is title, for example. So that's the element. The name of this tag is body. So that piece right there is the element. The name of link, or the name of this tag right here, is link. So that will be the element. Now it also has attributes. Now attributes right here, this link tag has three attributes: rel, type, and href. Now we're gonna use href as an example. Href is basically the reference point where it's linking to, and it's followed by an equal, and then we have the value, and the value is surrounded by two quotation marks. And so those are basically the parts of the tag. The tag contains of an element first of all, which in this case would be link. It also contains an attribute, which in this case would be href, followed by an equal sign, followed by a value that is surrounded by two quotation marks. So there you go, guys. That's the basics about tags.